This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ57 in South Bend. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. The current time is 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time weather conditions. At South Bend, skies were sunny. The temperature was 67 degrees, the dew point 49.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on the NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to normal programming.
Here is a regional view of the weather.